Welcome back to another deep dive.
Great to be here.
So you sent in some really fascinating source material this time.
Yeah, the story, The Wild Magic of Crazy Crayons. It's quite something.
It really is. And our mission today, well, it's to unpack the insights, maybe even some of that accidental learning the source talks about, hiding in this uh, pretty whimsical tale.
Looking beyond just the plot, you mean, for what it might suggest for us.
Exactly. So, okay, let's dive in. The source sets it up quickly. Miss scribbles our class.
Right. And young Milo finds this box. Dusty, kind of glowing, apparently.
Labeled crazy colors used with caution. Sounds ominous.
Definitely catches your eye, sitting there in the supply closet, daring him, really.
So he tips them out. And this is where it gets weird, Ron.
Yeah, immediately. They're not just crayons. The source says they blink at him.
Blink. And they all have these unique sort of personalities and effects.
Totally. Like banana blizzard yellow. It smells like fruit and confusion.
Yeah, fruit and confusion. And Tickle Me Turquoise just laughs.
And glow in the gooseberry purple, you have to hum to even see it.
It's clear these aren't just tools, they're like forces.
Little forces of nature, yeah. Which leads straight into the main thing.
The magic. Whatever you draw, it just poof, comes alive.
The source gives these great examples. A drawn sun starts sneezing.
A two, and the grass is doing the cha-cha.
And a whole rainbow just cartwheels off the paper.
My favorite, though, the cat with roller skates.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was Let's Boogie. And just skates off.
That's peak fun, right?
Yeah.
Pure imagination, totally unleashed. The whole class jumps in.
Everyone grabbing crayons, just drawing like mad. Pure creative burst.
But, and this is crucial, right? It doesn't stay fun for long.
Here's where it gets, well, interesting and maybe relevant for, real-life projects.
How so?
Well, the source shows this freedom turning into actual chaos, like total mayhem.
Ah, right. Chaos Cabbage Green drawing a tornado. Inside.
Exactly. Or Booger Blue drawing that whale.
Which then sneezes ocean water all over the math books.
Yeah. So it becomes unmanageable.
Wow.
It's creativity without any boundaries, leading to problems, real disruption.
It's a great visual, even if it's silly. So Milo, the kid who started it all,
He has to call time out. He sees it's gone too far.
that's the turning point, isn't it?
Yeah.
The class realizes, okay, we love the magic, but...
But this isn't working. The chaos is too much. Those poor math books.
So they need a new approach. What do they figure out?
Well, the insight isn't stop using the magic crayons. It's about finding structure.
Moderation. Organization.
Precisely. They decide, okay, let's use them just once a week.
For Creative Color Day. Dedicated time.
Right. So they can still draw amazing things, flying waffles, upside-down castles.
Jelly bean dinosaurs. Love that one.
But it's contained. It's fun and productive, not just, destructive.
Okay, so the source actually lists out lessons, what kids will learn. But let's frame them as insights for us.
Sure. What's the first one?
Creativity involves imagination, expressing yourself in many colors. Not just literal colors, right?
Yeah.
But diverse ideas.
Yeah, different approaches. It's not one size fits all. Good point. What's next?
That art, even silly fun stuff, can be educational. That accidental learning idea again.
Right. Drawing skating cats might teach you about consequences. Or maybe just that whales shouldn't sneeze indoors. Learning happens in unexpected ways.
Okay, third insight, straight from the chaos part.
The need for organization, moderation, structure.
Exactly. Without some boundaries, creative energy can just overwhelm everything, like our own projects maybe, damaging the math books.
It's a good analogy. And the last one, maybe the most important.
Collaboration. Working together, sharing ideas, that makes it more magical.
Ah, yes. The source mentions Milo and Miss Scribble drew the roller skating cat together.
So working together doesn't just manage the chaos.
It actually unlocks something deeper, better ideas maybe, shared understanding.
Seems like it. And Milo kind of nails the summary with that new label he writes.
Oh yeah, what was it? Warning.
May cause wild creativity, accidental learning, and unexpected dance parties.
Ah, that's perfect. It captures the whole journey. The power, the risk, but also the joyful surprises.
So we see this arc. Cure wild creativity, then chaos, then finding structure and collaboration to harness it.
Leading to these insights about imagination, learning, organization, and teamwork. All from a story about crayons.
Which brings us to a final thought for you, the listener. The story ends by mentioning accidental learning and unexpected dance parties as results of managed creativity.
Right, not just the wild stuff, but the structured fun.
So think about this. How could embracing and managing creative power in your own life, maybe at work, maybe just exploring an idea, How might that not just prevent chaos, but actually lead to surprising insights? Or maybe even some unexpected joy?
What unexpected magic could structured creativity unlock for you?
Something to consider.